At KDAB, we're really interested in bridging and integrating C++ and Rust. So we have built some tools, some facilities for making that easier. One of them is called CXX Qt. That's built on the CXX facilities for bridging between Rust and pure C++. We've extended that with specific facilities to bridge it to Qt, which makes it easier to integrate Rust into user interfaces that are built with C++ and Rust. And there's two specific demos here that showcase that. This one is just a general embedded HMI built with Qt and QML. And it does talks to sensors using Rust, so using the facilities in Rust for asynchronous communication and parallelism. And in this one is a little special because it integrates the Servo web engine, HTML engine, which is a Rust implementation of a web engine. We have integrated that with a Qt application. This could provide or can provide an alternative option for a web engine for Qt applications. It's a little bit smaller scope. It doesn't have the full feature set of a big web engine yet, but it has all the benefits of Rust, so it tends to be a bit safer. And of course, web engines are a big possible attack surface for applications, so it's important to have a web engine that is as safe and secure as possible. So that's what we're trying to show here.